There's the back bumper. Seats are in, sides are on, roof's on. Still can't get it outside. It's dark. But that's where the front end looks. Sealed off the dash so that mud and water don't go right in on my feet. Console, shifter, seats. I don't have seat belts. I need to get seat belts before Sunday. See how I laid out my controls. That's the dash from the bike. I moved the key to that pod. Under that is forward and two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. And over here is my start, on and off, choke. My pedals. This is my remote that I bolt into or tap into the master cylinder. The only brakes on this that are hydraulic are the front. The rears are mechanical disc, wet disc. The two pedals don't, the two arms don't swing in the same arc, so I have to have a slide. You see how the one slides down? And the e-brake still works. You just set the, can't do it. Set the e-brake just like you did on the bike. Only this e-brake locks all four wheels up. And then to get it release it, you just stomp and it releases. And I've got everything I need in here for my power steering. There's the lock for the steering. I clearanced for it. I'm going to order me another one or try to get one at a pick and pull. They're expensive as hell when I have to order them, but if I can pick one up at a pick and pull, I can get it for like 35 bucks. I don't know whether it was the electronic unit or whether it was the steering itself, but it worked once on the bench and then it quit. And no smoke or anything come out of it, so I don't know what the deal was with that. I'll try to get some pics of it tomorrow outside in the daylight, but that's what a Bruteforce 750 looks like when it's been converted to a side-by-side. 50 inches wide.